Welcome in, everyone. My name is Mystical Spot, and I am a variety streamer on Twitch. Thank you for coming in. I appreciate it. And this here...
Yo, 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 yo! This is Roger. What's up? Hey, I'm the co-host of this channel. Welcome in, and thank you for joining us. Yo, yo, yo! Hey, since you're in here, sit back and watch this clip. Yeah! Yo, yo, yo! This is Roger with your word of the day. Today's word is Fanion. Fanion. Do you know what Fanion is? I know what Fanion is. Fanion is the little bitty piece of cloth that a priest wears over their arm. Yeah. That's a Fanion, okay? The little piece of cloth. And what it's used for, it's also used for transporting holy vessels. Holy vessels. You know what? I know of a holy vessel. The most popular holy vessel of all. The hand grenade. That's right. The hand grenade of Antonaut. You know what I'm saying? And Santa raised the hand grenade up on high, saying, "Oh Lord, bless this thy hand grenade, that with it thou blowest up thy enemies into tiny bits in thy mercy." And the Lord did grin, and the people did feast upon the lambs and the sloths, the carp and anchovies, and orangutans, and the breakfast cereals, and fruit bats, and large chalupas. And the Lord spake, saying, "First shalt thou take out the holy pen, then shalt thou count to 3, no more or no less. 3 shall be the number thou shalt count, and the number of the counting shall be 3. 4 shalt thou not count, neither count thou 2, excepting thou proceed to 3. 5 is right out. Once the number 3, being the third number, be reached, thou lobbest thou hand grenade of Antonaut towards thy foe, who, being naughty in my snipe, shall snuff it." Fanion.